are you?
Very good, Ale. I visited for you a long time.
Yes, I would love to receive in your new house in the ranch.
We can visit Danny and Yayo to somewhere to go to have fun.
Near my house, there is a beach, Suyaita. It's such a beautiful sea and it's always sunny.
Great! That place sounds very interesting.
Unos minutos más tarde.
Hi, did you talk about a trip to the beach?
The beach on the ranch of Ale.
Can you go in 2 weeks?
Absolutely, let's go!
I can too.
Then see you in 2 weeks.
2 semanas después.
What would we eat here on the beach?
I'd like to see a food soap. I love it.
I don't like seafood soup very much. I would order fish. And you, Danny?
I like any king food.
I do too. Around here, the food is very cheap and tasty.
2 horas después.
My stomach hurts. Maybe it was the fish made me sick.
Maybe it's because fish and easier to spoil and fishy shell.
Danny, you have to take a test for the pain. Or take medicine that it's more effective.
He is alright. We have to go home so that he can rest Danny.
Pain does not go away. It is better that we're going to home.
Let's go and visit the next month again, Ed.
Yes, Ale. We will visit you soon.
La 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 la